Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm like freaking out. Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be doing a pink tech haul. Just here recently I bought a lot of pink stuff and they just so happen to be all tech related, so I thought, you know, might as well make a whole video out of it. Now, in case it wasn't already completely obvious, pink is my most favorite color, and you guys might remember this baby's unboxing back in 2015. I still use this controller to death. In fact, it is actually dying because the pads around this particular joystick is like ripping off and peeling off already. I've also had these Razer Rose Quartz, I think they're called, phones for a minute now, like about a year, and they've held up. I use it for gaming all the time when I'm streaming on Twitch. Follow me on there if you guys haven't already. But yeah, it's not my first time buying pink color tech. That's all I'm saying. That's the point I'm trying to prove here by bringing this bad boy back up and these headphones that I have for a while. Let's get to the new stuff. First, I want to talk about this phone case. I got this on Wish, which I'll leave a link down below. It has this cute Sailor Moon face printed on the cover, and the pop socket does come separate so you can stick it on to whatever position that you want on the phone yourself. And my most favorite part about this phone case is the Chibi Moon on top. She looks kind of wrecked, she looks kind of beat, she looked kind of ripped off because she doesn't look anything like Chibiusa. She kind of looks like a Mickey Mouse character, like a character that would be from that universe. But I did get this on Wish, so it is what it is, you know. I got this because there were so many components to it. You got the case, you got the pop socket, you got this really cute Chibiusa up front, and it also comes with a lanyard. So there is a part of the phone case where you can thread this through and you can wear your phone around your neck. I obviously don't use that for that purpose. I actually attached it to a Tamagotchi, which is completely dead right now, and I haven't had the chance to replace the batteries. But if you guys are interested, leave a comment down below. Maybe I'll make a Tamagotchi video as soon as I put fresh batteries in here. It's been dead for a minute because I wanted to wait till I got rechargeable AAAs. But yeah, this Tamagotchi is also new, which leads me to my next product. Tamagotchi in fairy pink. You can have it as fairies or as in magic, but I got mine in fairy pink. I actually got this with one of my best friends. She's got a green magic, and we got this originally to try to marry each other, because you can get married and have kids in this version of Tamagotchi and also put them on your phone. There's like apps for your phone to play more games with your Tamagotchi on. And yeah, it's been dead for a minute, but I can say while it was still on, I was on generation 2 in my game. Next up is also Sailor Moon related. I recently purchased some AirPods for the first time, and of course the moment I do, they announced the new AirPods, you know, the ones that are buds and look better because I wasn't a fan of this design anyway. The ones with like the normal headphones, not my jam. I think I would much prefer the new buds now. But I didn't know. Every time I buy a new Apple product, they release a new one. Like this is the iPhone X S, I think. And then they came out with the 11 shortly after I got this one. And now I got these AirPods. They released the AirPod bud looking things. Oh, but anyway, rants aside, I got this Sailor Moon silicone case for my AirPods. I got these on Amazon and she is super cute. I think it's super cute. It is the same design as what is on my iPhone case, but the design is raised and I feel like the overall quality is much better. You can also get this AirPod case on Wish. I just chose to buy it on Amazon because I wanted to make sure it was kind of like a legit product, because Wish can be like hit or miss. But my most favorite thing about the silicone case is the ring, so you can just like have it in your hand and it's not as easy to lose. I've had these for about 2-3 months and the battery life on it is actually pretty good. Next up is more related to these Razer headset. That's why I whipped it out, even though I never did an unboxing for these. I never talked about these on my channel. You know, I talked about my controller before, but I never really talked about these headphones. And the reason why I brought these up earlier is because I got the whole set. I went to Best Buy and they had this whole pink Razer setup and I fell in love. I'm not gonna lie, it was love at first sight. I didn't buy everything that was with the set that they had going on, but I figured because I already owned the headphones and I'm starting to stream a little bit more, I might as well have gear that match and gear that was pink. I know, I'm extra. I'm like a little embarrassed to even say this out loud, but who am I kidding? This is like how I really am with like pink stuff. Everything has to be pink, even tech, even if it's like superfluous or whatever. I can't help myself. It's just what I do. Boom, magic, unboxed, just like that. This is the Razer Huntsman Quartz Optomechanical Gaming Keyboard. It lights up like rainbows as it suggests on the box, but you can actually play with the settings and make it do whatever. And I don't know if I'm ready for that amount of power. Listen to this. Ooh. Yeah. A lot of people that I talk to seem to have like a strong opinion about whether or not they like the clickety clack. I am one of those that very much enjoys the clickety clack. In fact, I should treat y'all to a ASMR moment just right here, right now on this channel. I was actually typing up a song lyric during that moment. Can you guess what it was? If you guessed Waterfalls by TLC, you're correct. Now, before we get to playing with the keyboard settings, I like to introduce my mouse, which is obviously connected right now. That's why it's lighting up. This mouse is the Razer Basilic Quartz customizable gaming mouse. Again, you can see it's slowly changing colors the entire time, or maybe you can't see. Actually, you can't really see on camera. Weird. But I'll do a B-roll right here. I've honestly have never owned a gaming mouse before. And can I just say, this thumb hole, love it. Love everything about it. Wouldn't change a thing. And it makes it so comfortable. I like the grips that are on it. I like the shape of the mouse. I like how the scroll has like notches. It's not like a continuous wheel scroll. Oh, ASMR moment. But yeah, it has like little notches while you're scrolling. So I can see how that could be really nice for gameplay and things like that when you're switching weapons by scrolling. Like it would be more controlled with this wheel versus a wheel without any notches. I'm probably talking too much. There's probably people out there online who know tech way better than I do. I can only speak on the aesthetic and the design. In terms of performance and like other cool techie thing, like the laser picks up 5,000 DPI. I don't know any of that stuff, so don't expect that from me. Now, without further ado, let's friggin' play with the settings of these lights. Okay, so Derek's here now. Say hi.
Hello.
What I'm looking at is the Chroma Studio by Razer. It comes with if you buy any of this gear, so you can customize like the lights that go on it, which I think is really dope, really cool. There's multiple effects. We're gonna go through all of them. Breathing.
There it goes.
Huh? Cool.
Yeah.
That's breathing. Different colors and it pulses. What about when I type? Type. Nothing happens. Okay. Let's do fire. What color hot you want?
Yellow.
We'll do yellow hot.
And
then cold is
red.
Red.
There you go.
Whoa! Can you see the colors on there?
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Look at your mouse too.
Oh my gosh, my mouse is on fire.
Yeah, see, look, this is actual flames.
Wow,
That's
I
why
love
said
it.
Yellow and red.
Okay, wait. What if we do something fun? Let's do like
white and blue.
Yeah, let's do a white and dark blue. Let's see what
Yeah.
that looks like. Ooh, it's so cold.
Spooky flames.
Spooky flames.
Or the hottest flames ever.
Hellfire.
Yeah.
That's a fun one. Okay, let's do another one. I like how this haul video turned into a what is my keyboard doing?
Yeah. Reactive.
This is reactive.
Okay. So now this is you
So-
have to do stuff. It just lights up your little keys.
And it's different colors every time. Different colors every time.
Wait, does it mean your mouse
Wait.
wheel does it?
Ooh, ooh, no.
No.
What about my clickies? Ooh, ooh.
Oh yeah, it does.
I don't know if you
Click
guys
again.
can see.
Oh, yeah, see, it's different colors.
That is fun.
Be careful
That
about
is
too
fun.
much shaking.
That is fun. That is fun. Okay, it stopped. I ruined it. I broke everything. Ripple. Okay.
I like how it even shows you exactly what's going on.
Can you guys see that? Oh my god. What about just one? Ooh.
Yeah, but it
Ooh.
goes all the way to your mouse. See?
Ooh. What about a click? Hello? Click. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I can adjust the number of times it ripples too.
So it'll tell you what the last thing you clicked was.
Yeah. That's amazing. Okay, next one. Starlight. What is Starlight? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. That is adorable. That is adorable. That is my favorite. Can I make it faster?
Yeah. you
Oh
can go
my
and do
gosh, that is my favorite. This one is my favorite. It looks like little sprinkles on my keyboard. I'm losing it right now.
that. I told you you'd like this thing.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's like confetti. I hope you guys can see it on the B camera, but I'm driving, I'm going crazy right now.
Oh yeah.
This is the best investment I've ever made.
Pings too.
I know. This is the
Two
best
different
investment. Oh, okay, wait. Can I? Oh, okay. Wait. We can do it fast too. Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm like freaking out. Okay, yeah, that's that one. That one's my favorite so far, obviously. The next one is static. Just normal, that's static. Wave. I wonder how wave is different from ripple. Ooh. Y'all, this is the best investment I ever made. Eee!
Pretty good.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
It also works really well with the pink keyboards because I've seen the black one, the black keyboards, and it's like it's cool. But
I bet
it's
the
still,
white ones are good too, though.
Yeah, the white ones
Yeah.
and stuff. Like a lighter keyboard goes better with this, I think.
This is so fun. We're gonna do a wheel now. I don't know what a wheel is. This is the last effect.
Oh, it's the color wheel.
Oh, okay. So instead of like how it was static and gradually changing, it's like a gradient.
Yeah. It'll go through all the colors.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and follow me on the social media. The information is on the screen right now. Thanks for coming in.
No problem. I was
And
mostly just here.
I'll see you guys next time. Well, I need your reaction.
Yeah. Well, I have seen this.
I have not,
But
obviously.
I did like your reaction to it.
Okay,
so
cool.
I reacted to you reacting.
Yeah. Bye.